Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create professional business presentations in Canva step by step so you can impress clients, investors, or your team in 2026. First, log into Canva and search for business presentation in the template section. Choose a clean, modern template that matches your brand style. Remember, professional presentations focus on clarity, not too many colors or animations. Once selected, customize the template with your brand colors, logo, and fonts to maintain consistency. Next, structure your presentation properly. Start with a strong title slide, followed by an agenda slide. Then organize your content into clear sections like problem, solution, market opportunity, strategy, financials, and conclusion. Keep each slide focused on one main idea. Avoid overcrowding with text. Instead, use bullet points, icons, and visuals to make your message easier to understand. Use Canva's built-in charts and graphs to present data professionally. You can import numbers and instantly generate bar charts, pie charts, or line graphs. This makes your presentation look clean and data-driven. Add high-quality images, subtle transitions, and consistent spacing to maintain a polished look. Before finishing, review alignment, font size consistency, and visual balance. Use Canva's presentation mode to preview how it will look during delivery. You can download it as a PDF, PowerPoint file, or present directly online. If this guide helped you create better business presentations, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials in 2026. See you in the next video.